What we do every day for our customers is help them to get in the right digital flow. That's the word we like to use, digital flow, because to be honest, it's a never-ending story. So we always think big, start small, and then scale fast. We believed in the Holy Trinity when it comes down to helping manufacturing companies becoming a digital company. And there we see PLM, Smart Factory, and Low Code very closely hand in hand. And that's why we say, okay, Siemens is the perfect partner for us because they are uniquely positioned in the market, really able to combine those three solutions closely together. The journey for manufacturing companies is going to be amazing. At the same time, a little bit scary maybe, but if you look at PLM, where we're bridging the gap between engineering, manufacturing, and after sales, you combine this with Smart Factory, where we bridge the gap between IT and OT, where we are collecting all this information and now really going to do something with it to optimize production. And then you also combine this with Low Code, fundamentally rethinking your IT by bridging the gap between business and IT. That's why I'm saying always, this is the Holy Trinity, bringing those three together. For manufacturing companies to truly become a digital company, they always need to work with PLM and Monmess very thoroughly, but always keep the core clean so that you have access to the latest functions and features. And if you're able to combine this with Low Code, so basically you're going to extend your core capabilities with Low Code, which is a new and better way to do your digital transformation. By doing that, then you bring all the pieces closely together and then the puzzle fits perfect. Nowadays, Siemens is also offering very interesting solutions like Insights Hub, where they always start with the end in mind. So all the connectivity, yeah, you can trust us, we can do that, but it's about what do we try to solve. So we have specific use cases, microservices, all created in Mendix, by the way, in Low Code, like quality issues, like consumption issues, like availability issues. And then we can really tailor it to the needs of the customer, and that's where the real value lies. Manufacturing still has a long way to go. They're on a nice digital transformation journey already, but there is still a lot to do. And I believe strongly that with the tools of Siemens and the ecosystem around it, that we can do amazing things.